Alright, so right now the M.2 is recognized in the BIOS but not in Windows. So one thing I'm going to try here is I'm going to open up the Run menu. So you can go to the Windows icon, click it and type Run, or you can hit the Windows and the R key. And I'm going to type in services.msc and hit Enter. And I'm looking for plug and play services. Plug and play. Okay. So what I'm going to do is going to right click this and choose Stop. I'm going to right click it again, choose Start, and then I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer, and hopefully we'll get lucky.